Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 19th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is, MCP Model Context Protocol is a standard way for AI assistants to securely connect to your company's data, like a universal plug for AI tools. Analogy: think of MCP as a secure USB port for AI. Instead of plugging in a mouse, you plug in your sales database or project management tool. How it works: 1. The AI assistant asks the MCP server for specific data, e.g., show me this week's sales leads. The MCP server checks permissions, fetches the data from your company's systems, and sends it back. 3. The AI uses that data to answer your question or take action, like drafting an email to a lead. Real example this week: Smartsheet, a popular project management tool, built a remote MCP server on Amazon's cloud AWS to let AI access their data securely. Why you should care: MCP is becoming a must-have skill for AI jobs because companies need people who can connect AI to real business data without security risks. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week, we promised how to build your first AI agent with LangChain, no coding experience required. Here's the good news. LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com, has a free AI Agent Fundamentals module that walks you through building a simple agent in your browser. No installs, no coding. You can literally follow along in 30 minutes. Part A, Top 4 AI Jobs This Week. Machine Learning Engineer at Databricks, $150,000 to $220,000. Skills: Python, MCP, Cloud, AI Sales Specialist, Amazon AWS, $120,000 to $180,000. Skills: AI Agents, CRM, Quick AI Security Analyst at Apple, $140,000 to $200,000. Skills: AI Safety, Prompt Engineering, Python Robotics AI Intern at Agility Robotics, $35,000 to $55,000. Skills: Python, Computer Vision, ROS. Hottest role this week: AI Sales Specialist. Companies like Amazon are rushing to hire people who can sell AI agents to businesses. Part B, Top 3 Skills to Learn Now. MCP, Model Context Protocol. Why now? Smartsheet and AWS are betting big on MCP for secure AI data access. Learn in 2 weeks. AI Agent Prompt Engineering. Why now? Virtu's $6.880 AI agent proves executives are paying for smart, reliable AI assistants. Learn in 1 week. Cloud AI, AWS Bedrock. Why now? Databricks hit $188 billion valuation by becoming an AI company. Cloud AI skills are the ticket. Learn in 4 weeks. If you learn one thing this week, MCP, it's the hottest skill in AI right now. Last month, nobody had heard of it. That's AI for you. Free learning resources this week. LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. What you'll learn: MCP, AI agents, LLM apps, time. Why now? Smartsheet's MCP server on AWS makes this the most practical skill this week. Anthropic Prompt Engineering, hdocs.anthropic.com/docs build-with-claude/prompt engineering/overview. What you'll learn: prompt design, AI agent instructions, time, tours. Yes. Why now? Virtu's $6.880 AI agent shows that prompt quality directly affects AI reliability. AWS Machine Learning Blogs, aws.amazon.com/blogs Machine Learning. What you'll learn: Cloud AI, MCP Sales AI, time 3 hours, free, yes. Why now? Amazon Quick and Smartsheet MCP posts are live. Learn from real-world deployments. Coursera AI for Everyone. Search coursera.org/AI for everyone. What you'll learn: AI basics, business AI, ethics, free, yes. Audit. Why now? Apple's lawsuit against OpenAI, headline number 8, makes AI ethics and trade secrets a hot topic. Start here today. LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com, the fastest way to understand MCP and build your first AI agent. AI tools for beginners. Amazon Quick AI Sales Assistant automates prospecting, email drafting, and deal tracking. For sales beginners and small business owners. Free with AWS free tier. Virtu AI Agent, Luxury AI Assistant, a $6.880 foldable phone with an AI agent that manages your schedule, emails, and calls. For executives, but shows what AI agents can do, $6.880. Claude by Anthropic. Chat, great for learning prompt engineering. For anyone starting with AI. Free tier available. Hugging Face AI Model Hub. Access thousands of free AI models. For learners who want to experiment. Free. LangChain AI Agent Builder. Build your own AI agent without coding. For beginners. Free. Best starting point for a complete beginner. Claude by Anthropic. It's the easiest way to practice prompt engineering and see how AI agents work. Career Action Plan. Newshook. Apple filed a trade secrets lawsuit against OpenAI, headline 8, alleging misconduct. This highlights the growing tension between AI companies and data security. Opportunity. Companies are desperate for people who understand AI safety, data governance, and how to connect AI to internal data securely. That's exactly what MCP does. Your action this week. Complete the MCP Fundamentals module on LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. Then build a simple MCP server that connects a public API to an AI assistant. Free resource, LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. Complete this. MCP Fundamentals module takes 1 hour. Result. Doing this puts you ahead of 90% of candidates for AI sales specialist or AI security analyst roles because MCP is brand new and most people haven't touched it yet. Next week preview. Next Sunday, we'll cover how to build your first custom AI chatbot using Hugging Face and deploy it for free, a practical project you can add to your portfolio. Cloud AI for beginners, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for beginners who want to use GPT-4 and DALL-E without managing infrastructure. Free credits, $200. Start, azure.microsoft.com/free AWS Bedrock, best for building AI agents and MCP servers like Smartsheet. Free tier includes 1 month of Claude and Llama access. Start, aws.amazon.com/bedrock Google Gemini API. Best for experimenting with Google's latest models and free tier. Free tier, 60 requests per minute. Start, HT easiest for a complete beginner. Google Gemini API, no credit card required. Free tier is generous, and the web interface is simple. First action, go to athio.google.com and type "What is MCP" in the chat. Week in brief. Moonshot AI released a new version of its Kimi model, sparking concerns about full AI communism. But for beginners, it's a reminder that global AI competition is creating jobs in AI safety and policy. Databricks hit $188 billion valuation by pivoting to AI, proving that even traditional data companies need AI talent. If you learn cloud AI, you can work at the next Databricks. Apple versus OpenAI. Apple filed a trade secrets lawsuit. This means companies will hire more AI security experts, a great entry point for career switchers. Smartsheet MCP Server built a remote MCP server on AWS, showing that MCP is becoming a standard. Learn it now to stand out. A $6 880 luxury AI agent highlights that AI agents are becoming products, not just experiments. Prompt engineering skills are more valuable than ever. The one thing to remember this week, MCP is the hottest skill in AI right now. Last month, nobody had heard of it. That's AI for you. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're already ahead of 90% of people just by showing up every Sunday. Keep learning, keep building. Your future AI career starts with one step this week. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, how to build your first custom AI chatbot using Hugging Face and deploy it for free. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment.